Yo, 𝐦𝐿 over here, and this over here is BMW X1 sDrive18 xLine. Let's have a closer look. Very beautiful, glossy black color. The body is in great condition, as you can see. Now, behind we have very adequate room for your passengers, rear passenger aircon, 12-volt plug, and loader in as good as new condition. Fully electric tailgate, plenty of room in the boot, and this button is to drop your benches. Now, let's go in. This is the view from driver's perspective. Quite a spacious cabin. We have full leather multifunctional steering wheel. This is your gear selector, very traditional. Different drive mode selection. Infotainment control. I really like the stitching over here. Of course, it comes with reverse camera. Both seats are fully electric, and driver's seat comes with memory. You can see leather is as good as new condition. On a COE, this car still got 1 year and 10 months. In terms of depreciation, you're looking at about $18,000. So you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.